y'all, so this is the finished look of this unit and how are we liking it. Now this is a Amazon wig, so let's quickly get into the specs of this unit that I have on today. So this is a unit from Amazon and this is from the brand Emistar. And honestly, this wig is gorgeous and it's thick and it's full and I love it. Now this is a synthetic wig and honestly I'm so surprised of how soft and full this unit is, because usually Amazon wigs, they are not that good, but this one is actually really decent. So this is a 13x6 hand-tied HD lace front wig and this is in the color black and it is 26 inches. Now with this unit, it is a long body wave type of wig when I first got it, but then I decided to straighten it to see how well it straightens. The wig is very full and I really do like that. Usually certain wigs are not full when it's a body wave. So with this unit, it has a visible HD lace. It has a subtle layer cut. You can see it a little bit, but I didn't want to cut any more. I wanted to just show you guys how it is like straight out the box and just flat ironed. Now with this wig as well, it's also pre-plucked and it is glueless, so you can wear it glueless if you would like. I did go back in myself to pre-pluck the hairline to my natural hairline because this is what I always do with my lace front wigs, and honestly I love how it came out. It wasn't too bad to pluck it. The knots weren't too harsh at all either, and I did not experience any shedding from this unit. There has been no shedding from this unit, and usually I tell you guys, like, when you get a synthetic wig, you're going to experience shedding. I did not experience shedding from this unit. Now it comes with a adjustable removable band. I did not need this. This wig is very big head friendly and I really do like that. It stretches and it is perfect on my head. Now if you are interested in this unit, I am going to be linking it down below for you guys in my description box, so look out for that. Now this completes day 1 of Wigmas. I have so much more in store for you guys for the next 11 days of Wigmas, so stay tuned. As always, thank you so much for tuning into my video. I appreciate you so much. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.